guys, papuntang Blue River kasi evacuees kami. Galing kami ng Jasper National Park. Unfortunately, yesterday afternoon nagsimulang mag-ashfall. Tapos may papalapit na wildfire coming from the east side ng town namin. So 9 kilometers away na lang. So syempre, alam mo na, pagka ganon, a lot of people, locals and tourists are worrying, somewhat scared, and also cramming to prepare their emergency stuffs. And syempre, that includes filling up their fuel for their cars, for their vehicles. Unfortunately, talagang grabe yung pila sa mga gasoline stations. You have to wait like for more than an hour to be able to serve and refuel. Now, 4 kaming cars na convoy. Ito, may nag-overtake sa amin ng isa. So, yung 3 cars na kasama namin nasa harapan, papunta kami Blue River. So, last night, we arrived in Belmont, British Columbia. That's the next town coming from our town. At about 1:30 a.m. Pero dumaan kami sa, grabe, sa thunderstorm, sa rain, heavy rains talaga. Ito yung view ngayon ng papuntang Blue River. So may mga history nila na sunog yung forest na to. Kaya makakita kayo ng mga dry trees later on kung aabutin pa. So what happened was, awa ng Diyos, thank God, we were able to reach Belmont after a series of heavy rains and thunderstorms at napakadilim or napaka-dark ng biyahe. Look at this. This is I think that's another erosion, soil erosion. And then we reach Belmont and ang daming mga tao, evacuees. Doon kami sa Tim Hortons, tumambay, and then there's so many cars parked in the gasoline station which is just beside Tim Hortons. So ang dami, and there's many Filipinos also that we know were there. Pero syempre, we're all like evacuating by groups. That's why nagkanya-kanya din kami ng mga lakad. Nagkanya-kanya din sila ng mga lakad. Unfortunately, all the hotels in Belmont is fully booked. Kaya kailangan naming matulog sa kotse na lang kami natulog. Pero hindi rin kami makatulog kasi nga nag-work kami. So, nagna-nap lang kami here and there. Mga 1 or 2 naps lang, 2 hours naps. And then, balik ulit, kwentuhan, labas na naman sa Tim Hortons. At ganun din yung mga ibang mga tao. Hindi sila makatulog. They can't sleep also while hanging out at the fast food Tim Hortons cafe. So, we decided to go to Belmont's Recreation Center and see if there's a good place to sleep, and also if there's a better bath or basic utilities or equipment or premise that we can use. Unfortunately, sa Recreation Center ng Belmont is a bad news. Yung 6 shower rooms ng Belmont, na dressing room yun na may shower and may toilet for pooping, invade na ng iba't ibang groups. Doon na sila natulog. So, they made it their own private rooms. Unfortunately for us who came late, at sa iba pa na who came late, other evacuees, wala kaming choice. We don't have a choice, but we can't use those private rooms. We cannot use those washrooms anymore because those certain groups already made it their private room. So, since there's fully booked of hotels in Belmont town, our group decided to just do a road trip the next town, which is Blue River, another town here in British Columbia. So, by the way, here in British Columbia, umaatras ang oras. Matras ang time ng 1 hour kasi Alberta kami galing. Pagpasok namin ng British Columbia, umatras siya ng 1 hour. So, I'm just gonna keep you posted, guys. Once we are on our trip to Blue River and once we're already there and settled, and then hopefully that the wildfire in our town in Jasper would be taken care of so we can go back. River Safari 30 kilometers ahead. I don't know if we're going there. So we'll see. And thanks for tuning in and pray for us that we might be able to find a hotel, a place to stay at least for a night or 2. And thank you so much. Pray for us that our town was not burned so that we can still have a home to return after this emergency crisis of wildfire. My name is Ed. Catch you later. Let's do this. Thank you.